Hey everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama. Stepping into what we call the Attica. This is one of our Aspire homes. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. I just walked into the front door, so a nice wide open floor plan here. As we get closer to the kitchen, we're gonna notice that there's a pantry. Right here beside the stove, we've got white on the cabinets. This is an option, the black pulls. Glacier quartzite on the countertop with a round crescent edging. The crescent edging is an option. So is the laminate backsplash. The customer opted for a gas stove here. We've got the microwave over the range. 30 by 36 window over the sink. Looks like they did a whole appliance package here, which would be dishwasher, microwave over the range, and usually an upgraded stove. Now, I'm going to turn around so you can see how the openness is. It is wide open. So I came in that front door there. In this home, we did what we call a reverse aisle. So what normally would be on this side, we have flopped it over to the other side and exchanged it for the back door so that we could get both doors on both sides. See right there? This customer also enlarged this window here from a standard 3061 to a 4661. Coming back into the master bedroom area, gonna pass by the furnace, washer dryer, main water shut off. Here I'm standing just outside the door of the master bedroom. Let's take a look at the closet. Got the water heater hiding back there. Here in the master bath, I love these medicine cabinets. I think it just gives it a nice touch. Standard is just a mirror there. We've got a 3-bulb light strip above, an extended vanity, an over-the-commode linen so that you're not stranded on the toilet with no toilet paper, tub shower combination. All right, headed back to the other end of the home. See how wide open this is? Very short hallway right here. And then it opens up into a little, I would say like a foyer area before the extra bedroom. So here we've got bedroom 2, bedroom 3. Here's the guest bath. And again, they continued on with the medicine cabinet and also the over the commode. Regular vanity with the tub shower combination. Look at that. Now, I'm going to pause the video and take a step outside. I want you guys to see the exterior of this. On the exterior, we have the dark Brunswick color that's new for this year and some nice bright white shutters. And I think you're going to like it. Got some wind going on today, but I wanted you guys to get a good look at this exterior color. Brunswick with the nice white bright shutters. I'm the Mobile Home Mama, 260-383-1009. Thanks for watching.